Alright, so you're probably here because you want this, a window manager that's actually smooth and easy to use. If that's the case, you're at the right place, mate. Also, the white cat's a little busy with his exams right now, so I'm helping her out. So why waste time? Wait, this setup only works with YASB, so make sure you have that installed. If you don't, no worries. I got a full video on it. I will leave the link in the description, so be sure to check it out. Now by default, YASB already comes with Komorebi setup. Now, if you are using another window manager like me, then you will need to make a few small changes. You will add these two widgets to your YASB config and update the start command. Don't worry, you don't have to figure this out on your own. I will leave my YASB config in the description along with the full steps, so you can just follow along. Now let's install Komorebi. I'm running this inside a VM right now. Go ahead and click the third link in the description. It will take you here. Now copy the code you see on screen. After that, open your terminal as an administrator, paste it in and hit enter. Now scroll down a bit until you see the WinGet section. Copy the first command, open your terminal, paste it in, press enter and just let it do its thing. Once that's done, do the same thing for the next command. Now Komorebi is the actual window manager and
WHKD is the hotkey daemon.
You need both of them, so make sure neither of them throws in errors while installing. After that, click here, copy the command, and this part is important. Make sure terminal is running normally this time. Not as an admin. Paste the command, run it, and yeah, that's it. Now scroll down a little and copy this, but remove the last part right here when pasting it. We don't need it because YASB already handles that part for us. At this point, Komorebi should be running. Now the padding doesn't look right and there are unknown animations, so let's fix that. Now you got two options here. You can either copy my config, which is the easiest and fastest way, or you can read the documentations, understand it properly and build your own config from scratch. If your goal is to get this working quickly, I would honestly recommend copying my config first and learn things as you go. One quick thing, if the tiling direction or the workspaces aren't showing up in the top corner, just right click YASB, exit it and then open it again. That usually fixes it instantly. To find the Komorebi config file, open File Explorer and go to C drive, users, your username. At the bottom, you should see the file called komorebi.json. Open that in any text editor you like. Now click the fourth link in the description. Then open komorebi.json. Click the copy icon. Go back to your text editor, select everything, paste the config and save it. Now go back to your browser and open this file. This contains all the keyboard shortcuts I'm using. Copy it the same way as before. Then open your .config folder, open this file, replace everything and save it. Now close everything. Open your terminal again and paste the Komorebi start command you copied earlier. And as you can see, it's working perfectly. If I open another terminal, it tells exactly how it should. And yeah, looks like my VM just crashed. Yep, it's gone. So overall, Komorebi is honestly really solid. The animations are smooth and once everything's set up, it feels great to use. But it does require a lot of manual configuration and there are some bugs. Shortcuts can randomly stop working and not every app tiles perfectly, but you can configure that per app, which just means more work. If you ever run into anything and want to learn more, the creator has a YouTube channel where he breaks down features and updates. I will link that in the description. With that said, I will catch you in the next one. See ya!